Hi guys, this is 2019 new Prado 1GD engine. So I'm doing today how to replace for the AC filter. So we have to first remove this glove box. Pull one side. So you can see here some strut shock absorber. You can see the filter inside. One flap in here, one flap in here. So after that, clean the filter. Put back in the, this arrow is upside. And you can see here up mark. So after that you have to get the cover back in, go to the two notch, one in here, one in there. All good. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one. Thanks.